As an Asian American immigrant, gratitude is at the heart of all my work and service. I am grateful for the doors that have opened for me and for the honor to pay it forward as a storyteller, entrepreneur, yogi, and advocate for philanthropy. I was born in Khao I Dang refugee camp in Thailand to parents who are survivors of the Cambodian genocide. We immigrated to America in 1984, and I became a U.S. citizen in 1999. Today, I am the founder of Cultivate Entertainment, a talent management company where I am privileged to collaborate with actors, writers, producers, and directors. I support them in achieving their dreams and creating stories and characters that resonate with people all over the world. I'm most passionate about helping artists grow beyond what they thought their potential to be. I also strongly believe in the power of giving back. I am an alumni mentor and board member of Inner-City Filmmakers, a nonprofit film school that gave me a pathway to the entertainment industry. 2 years ago, I became a yoga instructor to share the transformative benefits of physical wellness, mental resilience, and mindfulness with my community. My gift to America is my work ethic, success, and unwavering faith that dreams are made possible here.